Stop spending money on DJI Action 5 Pro accessories. Instead, all you need is 4 things. The first one being the DJI Mic Mini or the DJI Mic. Any of them would work. It connects with the Bluetooth and is fantastic. Second one is a cage. And by default, you get this one, which is pretty good, but I'd go with the newer cage, which also has this magnetic connection option, which almost feels like you are using a DSLR camera. Third, gotta get the selfie stick. This is pretty useful. I'd say go with this one because this has an option with the iPhone magnetically connecting directly to it, as well as any action DSLR camera. And then last but not the least, and this one definitely surprised me, it's a neckband mount. It's hands-free point of view shot that looks natural and smooth. Great for travel, great for tutorials as well. So this is really good, especially when I don't know where it is. And if you want something unique, you can keep buying more because we have all the money to spend, right? So do it. That's all you need. Let me know in the comments if you find something unique, and I would love to purchase it as well. Or check out some other videos of mine. Bye.